Hello, Dr. Lenz here to help out with building a works cited entry for a website. This is pretty straightforward, and I'm going to be using this review of the new movie Scoob from RogerEbert.com. So, with my web page open, I like to open up the notepad so I can make some quick references, and then I'll just copy and paste it into my Word document. But this is a nice way to just get things started and make sure I have things accurate. So first, do we have an author for the article? Yes, we do. Christy Lemire. So we type out the last name, and then the first name, period after the name. Do we have a title for the article? Yes, Scoob. Titles of articles are in quotes, so Scoob, exclamation point, quote. All right, do we have a name of the website? Yes, RogerEbert.com. Most likely it is along the top here, around like the masthead where you will find, the navigation menu. Sometimes you might need to find it here to use like a shortened version of the URL. Most likely it's right around here. This is the name of the website of where we can find this article. So, all right, this gets a comma because this is the container, but it also has some other stuff associated with it. So we can't do italics in the notepad. We can convert it once we paste it over into a Word document, but we have it in place where we need it. Next, we need the publisher. The publisher is who is responsible for this website, who's paying the bills, who is responsible for the servers and hosting all of this stuff. So what we need to do is we need to scroll around the website, the web page, to find a copyright. Often it is way down at the bottom of the page. We need that little copyright symbol and when it was last copyrighted. So here is the publisher, Ebert Digital LLC. So Ebert Digital LLC. LLC means Limited Liability Corporation. So Ebert Digital LLC. That is the publisher. That gets a comma because we are not quite done with this set of information. Next, we need a date of publication, and we see it here, May 15th, 2020. So we get the day, the month, and the year. Now we get a period because we are now done with all the information pertaining to the website. So we have the website, the publisher, and the date it was published. This stuff cannot exist without each other. The movie review Scoob, this gets a period, exclamation point is here in place of it, but this is on its own because this could get republished somewhere else. Christy Lemire, she exists away from this review and away from this website. Finally, we need the access date. Today is the 25th of May. Period, because we can exist away from the website. So, author, last name, comma, first, period. Article title, in quotes. Name of website, in italics, we'll have to fix that later, comma. Publisher, comma, date of publication, period. Access date, we need the access label, and then end it with the period. Notice, date format is always, always, always day, month, year. And you abbreviate the month, but this is May, it doesn't need to be abbreviated. That's it. That's how simple it is to build a works cited entry for a web source.